everybody. Venturing off down south today. We're off to the Cromwell Car Show. It's first time venturing down here. It's pretty cool. It's amazing scenery, amazing country. It's bloody neat to drive around actually. So walk on the road and catch you there and we'll go for a walkabout. So we hit the Cromwell show. It's pretty cool, man. The cars are just rolling in now, as you can see. It's man, there's a selection of everything here. It's pretty cool. It's yeah, there's everything. It's run by the Falcon Club, but yeah, man, there's just everything. Take a look. So we're gonna go for a nosy, have a look around. See you soon. beautiful, man. Love your work. Show it to you. Another falcon in my shed? Okay, yeah, I'm in. Definitely in. Jumping in while I got a chance, eh? Excellent. That's a beautiful example, mate.
Yes, it's very original. It's only got 17,000 miles on it.
Is it? That's crazy.
Yeah,
hell.
In a museum for a long time.
Oh, is that right?
Private museum. It was in there about 30 odd years. It went nowhere yet.
Yeah.
So it's taken a wee bit to get back on the road. The body's perfect, but the old mechanicals, everything does deteriorate sitting. But we're getting it all in.
Okay, man. So that's amazing. So that'll be original paint and everything. Oh, is that right?
If you can trust what car sales
gotcha.
tell you.
Yeah.
It's probably the most original low mileage 58 Thunder that we found. The present owner kept in the collection for, I was 12 years and acquired it from a museum. He acquired it from a museum.
Yeah.
Has been in a climate controlled environment and driven only 16,400 miles.
That's unbelievable.
Purchased 53 years ago and it's truly mint original.
That's unreal.
So it's okay,
so even under here.
Yeah, no, it's all original. You touch it and it falls to bits. That's all that old undersell is just
what it got hard.
Yeah, you touch it and it just crumbles.
That's unbelievable, man. I can't believe that.
But she's
okay.
Yes.
That is very cool. Good on you, dude. Yeah, I bet, hey. It'll always still be tight and everything and nice.
Yeah, well, it is.
Be just nicely run in, actually.
Well, it is actually. It's
Good on you, man. Thank you. We'll carry on around.
Morning when you rise, your eyes,
stunning blue, mate.
How are you, mate?
Sparkles, eh? That was a beautiful blue. Oh, factory manual, is it?
Sorry?
Factory manual?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Top man.
Standard.
That is very cool.
Right.
What's the engine in this one?
289.
Yeah, that's a fantastic example, eh? That is very, very cool.
Kept the done it, made a very good job.
Oh, right.
I haven't met him.
Haven't you?
I would love
Oh, yeah. I'd say just to shake his hand.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, look at the upholstery in it. Look at it.
He imported it as a rolling rig.
Oh, really?
And with all the photos to go with it, I'm pretty chuffed.
Yeah. God, you want to buy him a drink, wouldn't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
You'll need one.
Yeah. And just finished it and sold it.
Ah, doesn't it happen?
Yeah.
Ah, it's probably the build that gets sucks you, though. That's why we do it, eh? It's because it's
Apparently
cool.
He had one of these when he was a kid.
Yeah, that's
In
it.
America.
Yeah.
And he had to have another one.
Yeah. It's just how it rolls, eh?
Yeah.
Really, it's crazy.
You've got to have your fix.
Yeah. It's in your blood, mate.
Absolutely.
You can't get rid of it, that's it.
Yeah, once you're a petrol head,
Yeah.
it's a stage the day you step into that box.
You haven't got a shit show of losing it.
Absolutely.
Oh, mate.
Absolutely.
That is very, very cool. I love that colour.
That's,
How old is the paint?
sorry?
How old is the paint? Do you know?
I think it's probably 5 years, maybe.
Is it?
Something like that.
Just looks really sharp, eh?
Yeah.
Crack it. That was a beautiful example, man.
Absolutely.
Beautiful with the pillarless, eh?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice on a hot day.
Yeah, I'd say.
Because otherwise you've got a little lunchbox down
Yeah.
at your feet that open manually. You've got to love the technology. Lunchbox
mate.
down at your feet.
I know, eh? At least you got quarters you can flick some wind into you.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh,
It's all good.
that's neat, eh? I love it. Cool, man. On it.